Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video you will learn how to create this beautiful to-do list template in Google Sheet. As you are seeing my screen, I have created this beautiful to-do list template wherein we have the serial number, then we have the task name and the priority of the task, and we have the status column wherein we have a checkbox. Once your task is done, you can check that and you can see it is marked as done. You can check next, or whatever task you have done, you can check that. Automatically it will be marked as done here. You can put any comments if you want, let's say, or any other comments, whatever you want. You can use this template for your daily work. It's quite useful. You can make it blank and you can put your data. Now I will explain you step by step how you can create this in Google Sheet. So let's add a new sheet here. Just click on this plus button. So you can see this sheet 2 is added. From here you can put your header of the table. So let's say first I'm putting here serial number, next I'm putting here task name, and here I'm putting the priority, and then status, and here you can put comments. Alright, now we will format this. So make the serial number bit little smaller, task name slightly bigger because task name could be little bit bigger, comments also slightly bigger. Okay, now let's select the range. Let's say till here I want to add this to-do list. I'll go to the border first and I'll select the color. So let's say I have taken this color for the border, then I have taken this dotted border here, and just click on all border. Now do the alignment. So let's go to the align this center, and this vertical alignment also take middle. Okay, and the font size let's take 9. Now for the header formatting, select the header, then make this bold and take the font 10, and you can take some background color also. So let's say I'm taking this light yellow color. Okay, go to the view and show grid lines, just uncheck this. So grid lines will be removed from here. You can select this cell and just merge this from here. Just click on merge cell and make the row bit slightly bigger and fill here the background color. Let's say I'm taking this color, dark red one, and you can type here header, let's say to-do list template, and now select this, align this center and vertical alignment middle. Font color let's take white color, this one. Increase the font size. You can change the font. Let's say I want to take this one. Okay, now in the serial number we will put a formula, that is the sequence function. Use the sequence function. Inside the sequence function we will use the count a function, and we will take the count of tasks. So select this range and just close the bracket, hit the enter. We are getting here num error just because we don't have any task. So we can use here if error. Before the sequence put the bracket, in the last put comma and blank, and just close the bracket and hit the enter. So we are getting here blank. Now if I will put the task name, so let's say I'm taking few task name from here, just copy and paste here as a value. So you can use edit, paste special and value only, or you can use this shortcut Control Shift B. So I'm using here Control Shift B. Okay, you can see automatically the serial number is appearing here. If I will add a new task here, let's say task 2, then it is showing 5. Okay, now we will add the priority. So we are adding the priority as high, medium and low. Select this range. In this range we want to add the priority. Right click and go to the drop down. Data validation rules pane will be opened here. We will put the option 1 as, let's say, high, option 2 just put as medium. Click on add another item and let's put here low. We will change the color also. For high let's take this color, and for medium let's take this yellow color, this one, and for low let's take this green color. Okay, and click on done. For each task you can select the priority. Let's say I want to mark this as high. I'm just putting the random priority here. Let's say schedule dentist appointment as medium, finish project high, and here I'm, let's say, putting low. You can change it as per your task. Now select the status range, and here we will insert the checkbox. Make the column width slightly smaller, then go to the insert, and here you can see the checkbox option. Just click on checkbox. Automatically the checkboxes are inserted here, and in the back you can see the false is there, the value is false, and here the value is false. As I check this, the value is true of this cell. D4 is true. Okay, and here the value is true. So now we will put the conditional formatting in this range. If D4 is true, then conditional formatting should be applied. So select this range and go to the format, click on conditional formatting. Now the conditional formatting rules pane will be opened here, and we will select the format rule and just scroll it down and take custom formula age, and we will put the formula here, value or formula. We will put the formula simple, equal to D4, equal to true, or you can just leave it as it is, equal to D4. If this value will return true, then the conditional formatting will be applied. Okay, now the formatting we will take this format, which is strike through. Just click, and we will not take any background color, or we will take very light background color. So let's take this light green color. If you think that color is not appearing here, you can simply click on this add a custom color, and from here you can choose your color. If you have the hex code or the RGB code, you can put that, or you can select from here also. So let's say I want to take this color. You can see the preview here. Click on OK. Done. Alright, now if I will check this, then here you can see the conditional formatting is applied. You can type your comments here. So friends, that is how you can create this to-do list template in Google Sheet. You can use it in your daily work. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.